front of me is Nothing Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Hit Google Password Manager and tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete. Then enter your current login method. Hit Delete next to Edit and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!